Today we have a 1983 Ford F-100 pickup with an inline straight six. And what we're going to try to do is see if a $85 Amazon carburetor will get this thing up and going. Let's get started. Got half of this stuff already taken off. She just lift up out of there. Like so. Here's the new unit. What a one barrel. Direct replacement. Hopefully it should drop right into place. Well, it seems to actually fit, so that's a start anyway. $13mm. This up. Alright, fuel line going in. And it's a little boogered up, so. This line has definitely seen better days. Alright, let's add some gas to the bowl. And see what she does. Probably gonna be flooded. Alright, this thing hasn't been started in probably 6 months, 6 or 8 months. I could get it to turn over and try to start, but it just never would. Replaced the DuraSpark box, replaced the coil, replace the pretty much everything on the ignition has been replaced. The starter solenoid, whole 9 yards. Like I said, it would start, it would try to run, and then it would die, like immediately die. And the old carb was just absolutely pouring gas in there. So let's see if this thing makes any difference. See if she fires. You got keys? See if she does anything. Same thing. And I've read with these trucks, there's something with the ignition where it's only getting fire as it's cranking. But it's like as soon as you let off the key, it's instantly dying. So it'll run as long as you keep it in the crank position. But as soon as you let off the key, it dies. I'll show y'all something else that it does that's kind of strange. Go to start. Okay, same thing. When you roll the key back, didn't do it that time, but sometimes when you roll it back, the engine actually rotates. So it'll run as long as you got that key turned. But after it sits, see, there it goes. The engine just like rotates just when you give it, it's like it gives it spark. So I don't know if it's in this actual ignition switch. But it ran perfect. The truck used to run absolutely perfect. And then it just developed this issue. And just have not figured it out. But this ignition module, or ignition box, has been replaced. The Hall effect sensor inside the distributor I replaced. It's got a new fuel pump, new filter. The coil has been replaced there, and the starter solenoid has been replaced also. So if any of y'all got any ideas, or y'all ran into this problem yourselves, let me know what the fix is, because it is being aggravating. Okay, with the key on, when I'm touching the coil, I've got nothing. I don't know if I'm supposed to have power there with the key on. I'm assuming I am. Like I say, I don't really know a whole lot about these ignition systems, but I've got nothing at all with the key on. So I don't know if that's ignition switch or what, but hopefully somebody can help me out on here. So if you guys have any idea what's going on with it, with the ignition, please let me know. It would greatly help me out. Well, unfortunately, that's going to have to do it for today's video. I was planning on making a longer video, but I guess that's just the way it goes sometimes. I wanted to get some cool shots driving the truck since it's been sitting for so long. I was actually looking forward to it, but I guess that's just the way it goes. If you guys found this content interesting, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out, and I greatly appreciate it. Until next time, you guys have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next video.